Hi, I'm Vince from Sunbather, and I'm going to take you through the steps on how to install our new Sunswitch controller for a solar pool heating system. A solar controller is an essential part of your pool heating system, and without a perfectly working controller, your pool simply won't be as warm as it could be. The Sunbather Sunswitch controllers are Australia's only award-winning controller within the pool industry, and more importantly, they're really easy to install and are compatible with any type of solar system. I'm going to show you how to install both controllers. We have the wired and the wireless. Each controller comes with all the parts you need, including screws and sensor wells. You may need some cable ties for fixing it to the wall and a drill for drilling it onto the wall. The wireless unit doesn't require any cables run up to the roof. The first step with both controllers is to determine exactly where you wish to install it. You should keep it close to the solar pump so the cables can reach. It's also a good idea to install it where it's visible, as both you and the kids will want to monitor the temperature quite regularly. Mount this bracket to the wall, making sure it is straight. This is a tin shed, so it's a relatively simple installation. Use this screw, which is also provided. If you're drilling into concrete or masonry wall, use this green plug, which is also provided, and using a 6.5mm masonry bit to pilot the hole. If you're drilling into a foam wall, use this special foam screw, which can be purchased from most hardware stores. Mount the plate. You can then plug the solar pump into the bottom of the controller and hang it onto the wall. Now we need to install the cold sensor, which is the grey 1.8 metre cable on both controllers. This needs installing on the suction side of the solar pump, so it's under the least amount of pressure. Use a 14mm drill bit to drill the hole. It's a good idea to drill a pilot hole first. It's also a good idea to make sure you're not below water level before you drill any holes. Clean any swarf off and insert the rubber grommet. Then insert the sensor pocket. You may need some lubricant with this step. I'm using silicone spray. Drop in the cold sensor, tie it off with a cable tie to prevent it from falling out, and you're done. The next step for the wired controller is to affix the hot sensor to the roof. We will run the 20 metre black cable up and onto the roof, and we'll insert it into the black pad provided. You need to ensure that this black pad is not in the shade, as this will reduce the performance. And do not glue the sensor directly to the solar itself, because it wants to know what the roof temperature is and not the water temperature. Cable tie the sensor cable to the pipes to keep it neat and protected. You then insert the hot sensor into the small piece of solar pad provided in the box and silicone it to the roof. Now I'm going to show you how to install a wireless hot sensor. They are far more advanced and reliable than anything else on the market, and by far the easiest to install. They don't need any wires or batteries, which is unique to this product. It is ideal for replacement controllers and systems where the pump is a long way from the roof and running a sensor cable just isn't practical. They are also great when pump rooms are indoors or located underground. They actually work up to 200 metres away, which is 5 times better than anything else available. Simply take this unit, find an area on the roof or structure which is going to receive the same amount of sun. Put some glue on the base and squash it down. Now that you're done, turn on your controller and start heating your pool. For more detailed instructions on starting up or programming the Sunswitch controller, read the enclosed instructions or visit our website sunbather.com.au. Thanks for choosing Sunbather and enjoy your warmer pool.